Have you ever felt like you've been waiting forever? Like you've been patient for so long that your heart has started to feel heavy? If you are watching this, it is not by chance. This is your sign. The struggle you are going through right now isn't meant to break you, it's meant to build you. You've stayed patient when it was hardest to do so. I want you to know something important. Your patience has been seen. Every whispered dua and every moment. You chose to trust Allah. Instead of complaining, it has all been recorded. Allah's timing is never late. We often want things now, but He gives them when they are perfect. He will bless you with the very best. He isn't just going to give you what you have asked for. He is going to bless you with something better. He will honor your wait with a gift so beautiful that you will forget you ever suffered. So don't give up now. You are closer than you think. Keep your heart firm and keep your trust in Him. If you believe this type, Alhamdulillah.